Good morning, happy Saturday, welcome back to the channel. As you see, Uncle Charlie is over there clearing everything in this general vicinity. We're taking the fence down, the chicken wire down, all the weeds in between, also plucking a couple bushes out. So let's get started in the front yard and then we'll come back around to where I am right now. So let's go. And then as you can see in this shot, Charlie is clearing everything out between the big bush on the right and the little bush on the left. All of this is just weeds, so we're just going to clear it out, flatten it out, kind of make it look like this. Probably a little cleaner, but add that to the brush pile in the back. So the setup for this video is a Kubota L3130. We have a Woodland Mill stump grinder on the back, and then we have an EA Grapple on the front with a multiplexer so you can open and close it. EA Grapples are not made anymore, so if you are a company that makes grapples and you want your grapple on here instead, reach out to me below. There's an email, mike@sometimesbuilds.com. Get in touch and we can use your grapple instead. They ain't making these anymore. Why should we be promoting these? It's a good grapple though, but maybe there's better. Let us know. Charlie's about to break something. Oh, it's a rabbit. It's a little bunny. Like a couple weeks ago at Uncle Charlie's property, I was cutting the grass with the zero turn. I came within a foot of a little baby deer sleeping. He must have been in a deep sleep because he didn't wake up until I was right there on top of him and he got up and ran away. Then as you can see here, he's using the grapple to push all the brush to one side so we can pick it up and then pull it out. So now he's got a big hunk of it. Usually makes a pile so he doesn't have to go too far. Make a pile, then come back and pick it up all at once. But right now we're just going between the two bushes to clear it out. that is going to be a wrap for today's video. We used the Kubota L3130 with the EA 55-inch grapple. I think it's 55. We'll see. And then the Woodland Mills stump grinder. We use that to clear out the fence and everything within that fence, this small area between these two bushes, and then a couple bushes in the front yard, and then along the front fence. If you enjoy this type of Kubota tractor content and land clearing, if you find it therapeutic, drop a subscribe down below. If you like this video, drop a thumbs up. If you have any questions about any of this equipment or any of the methods that he used, drop a comment down below. We'll be happy to answer. See you next time. Peace.